I always forget how to do these simple things that I need to do quite often in Toast. Today, I'm going to show you how to add gift card amounts to a customer's gift cards. You need to go to the Reports section. Then you need to scroll down to Payments. Then you need to select Gift Card Balances. Right here, it's going to give you some different filtering options. I personally am not a big fan of how things are filtered here. Sometimes, as in the case here, the table contains real-time values and ignores date range filters. Other times, as with the rewards account, it now applies a date range filter. So not a big fan of these. When in doubt, you can just do a custom date and then do like the last several months or the last week or whatever. For the purposes of the card I'm looking up right now, I know I can just do today. If you have multiple restaurants or groups, you can select or deselect all those here. I'm going to leave mine selected. When you press update, it's going to bring in all of the gift cards. So there's a ton of them, as you can see, pages and pages. And what we need is to just search for the card number right here, and it will pull up the card where we can click into the details. Now we can edit the card information. We can view the digital version of it. Here is the digital version in case someone does not have a physical version or your store does not offer physical cards. We can adjust the customer information. And finally, the reason we came here, we simply type in an amount to adjust the balance. And if you have rewards cards linked to gift cards, you can adjust the rewards amount in the same way on this screen right here. So you can tab over to that. Hope that's helpful. If it was, I've got other Toast tutorials in this playlist right here because I forget how to do these simple things all the time. And so I have to remind myself. Click here and I'll see you in the next one.